So this is a Python script for making this calculator. Um, from if you see the first two lines, we are using the module TKinter, and then this import is importing all the functions. But this TKinter live module has a submodule named as TTK, which we are also importing and using it with its name TTK. So then we create a variable named as expression, which is a string, blank string, if nothing has it. Then we have three functions defined: button, entry. Then we declare that the expression is global. Is the expression variable used is from the global scope. So then we create a function which takes the existing expression and appends the string which is passed through here, and then we are setting a function. We are taking this expression variable and put it into the equation variable which we declare later. This function is expression evaluation. It is for evaluating this function. In this we are evaluating the expression. So the expression looks like this. So 1, let me just enter, plus 6 minus 5 multiplied by 5 divided by 10. So this I have written expression. So this expression is set into this equation, and then this equation is displayed over here, and this expression is still in this expression variable. So we first try the expression and we evaluate the expression and put this uh, number back into expression, and then we set this equation field which is being displayed here. If we try to divide by 0, then we get this zero division error, which will result in a exception which will clear the expression and set this window over here to division by 0 error. Then we have this function for this button clear, which will clear the expression and also clear the equation. So now we create a screen. SC is short for screen. Then this screen is being created and this function is used from the TKinter library. Then we name this window calculator. You may not be able to see the window title, but this creates a window title. Uh, then we declare geometry, which is the size. So you can declare any size. So I have just declared 480 by 280. If you want, you can create 480 by 480 and evaluate the function. So after rerunning the program, you can see the size is bigger, and if I just again do the same thing, okay, then you can see the size is again there. Then we have this TK style. So this TKinter uses theme, so you can configure each and individual each part uh, using those themes. So first you have to create a variable and invoke this function known as ttk dot style. This s is capitalized. I've just used this for debugging purposes, and then these have default four themes, so you can use alt or default, or you can use Vista. Uh, so then we create our keys. So these are the code for the keys, and then we create buttons. So this is expressive button, so plus, minus, multiply, divide, and then we create these two buttons. First is the equal sign, which is over here, and then we have our clear sign, so this is a clear, and then we also have to display the uh, display this equations. Okay, so for that you have this code, and then after writing this code, we write sc.main loop, which will run all this. If you do not run this line, then the above written code mm, will not will not uh, work, because this is the main entry function for the TKinter.